Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to add another Gmail account. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Adding another Gmail account to your mobile phone is a simple process. So just follow these steps. Now, first, open up your Gmail app on your mobile phone. Then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Add Another Account. Select Google from the list of available options. Enter the email address and password for the account you want to add. Then just click Next. Then enter the password. Now, just agree on the terms and services. Now, once the account is added, you can switch between accounts while tapping on your profile picture and selecting the account you want to use. Alternatively, you can also add another Gmail account by going to your phone settings, selecting accounts, and selecting add account from there. Then follow the prompts to add your new Gmail account. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!